It's been a while, been a while.
What's up? My name is Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am basically going to explain if premieres get you more views and if premieres are more beneficial than a regular upload. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So let me explain what a premiere is if you do not know. A premiere is basically a mix between a live stream and a regular YouTube upload. Basically, you pre-record your videos and you set it as a premiere. Your subscribers can watch it live with you and you can live chat with them what time they will premiere on your channel. And they show up in your subscribers feed before the actual video is live, so they have time to set a notification for it so they can be there in time to watch your video live with you and live chat with you while you just watch it together. And before the premiere will actually premiere your video, so everyone can really get there in time, settle in. There'll be a 2-minute timer before the actual video goes live. How do you use a premiere? So the only thing is that you can only set a premiere on your computer and not your phone. I do not know how to set a premiere on your phone. I feel like there is a way, but I don't know that way, so I'm just gonna tell you the one on your computer. So basically, when you upload your video, you go to schedule on your computer and it'll let you set your schedule at what time and what day you want it scheduled, but it also gives you this little box that says set as a premiere. And you just click that box and save it and it'll set your video as a premiere. You do everything you would do for a regular upload. So you do the title, put the thumbnail, do the description, do the tags, and then just set it as a premiere like I said before. And then it'll go live on your channel basically like this, and your subscribers can set a notification and they'll be notified 30 minutes before the video, and they will be notified when the premiere starts. So let's talk about the benefits of a premiere. So basically, if you schedule your video for like a regular upload and it'll just go live on your channel without like a premiere, your viewers will not know that new content is coming out, and it will just pop up in the feed. And even if they do know your schedule, they may forget, or it'll come up in the feed like maybe a day after it uploads or like a few hours after it uploads. Rather than if you set it as a premiere, it'll give the chance for your subscribers to engage on the video and set a premiere so they don't miss one of your uploads. And another benefit is you get to live chat and watch it with your subscribers. And this is a great way of really connecting with your audience and building a close fan base, because you live chatting with them will make them seem like closer to you, and especially since you're both watching your video live in real time. So those are basically the benefits. Do I recommend premiering your videos? I do recommend it. I think it's a great tool that you should definitely not take advantage of. I think YouTube really did something when putting this feature in. So yes, I do 100% recommend it, and I'm probably gonna start premiering my videos. But yeah, tell me in the comments if you're gonna use this tip and if you have been using it, if it's helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another one of my uploads. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Taking me too much dance, trying to find the reason why I shouldn't dive back into your life, 'cause I'm